we're going to be doing a modified side plank position. So this position will be great for our pregnant women or anyone who just can't quite get to the position in a side plank with their knee or with their feet extended out just yet. Okay, so for this position, you're going to come onto your side. Okay, and I always like to do it with my elbow flat on the ground. Okay, so your elbow's going to come down nice and close to the ground. Okay, hand will just be flat for that added support. So to start, if you're going to do this modified version, you're going to have your knees bent, ankles in line with your hips. Okay, so from this position, I always like to place my hand kind of onto the top of my hip. You're going to lift the bottom of your hips up towards the ceiling, kind of pushing your elbow into the ground. Lift yourself up and hold this position. Okay, so really focusing on driving this hip up towards the ceiling, activating this oblique in this part of your core. Hold this position, make sure your head is staying nice and in line with your spine. You're not looking down, you're not letting it drop, you're not picking it up and looking, just keeping it in a neutral position here, holding this position, breathing nice and slow, okay? And then again, just making sure that this is being lifted up to the ceiling so we can really activate our core.